there is a consignment PO.
Okay.
Okay. There is a consignment PO. Consignment PO, which is created on 10th July 2021. Okay. At that point of time, the consignment info record price is okay. At that point of time, the consignment info record price is $100. Okay, the consignment info record price is $100 at that point of time. Now the goods receipt is done. Okay, so you are going to perform transfer posting from consignment to own with what is the movement type?
411K.
Okay, 411K on today, for example, 2021. Okay.
Okay.
Now the consignment info record price is consignment info record price is $120.
Okay.
Now the consignment price is $120 at this point of time.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now you tell me the accounting entries if I transfer 10 pieces. Okay. Now I'm transferring only 10 pieces. 10 pieces transfer I'm doing. What is the accounting entries?
Then stock account debit BSX 120 rupees.
This 120 is per piece. Okay, let's consider like this. $100 per piece. Okay, same $120 per piece. Okay, now I'm transferring 10 pieces. Now tell me the accounting entries.
Okay. Actually, the price will take from 10th of 10/7 that price, right? So
first, okay, first you one question. Okay,
yeah.
when the transfer happens, the price will $100 will come or $120?
$100.
No, it will come $120. So the consignment at the time of transfer, at that point of time, whatever the price is available, system will take the same price.
Okay.
It won't take the price at the time of PO. Okay.
Okay, but Ganesh, we have already given the combination, right? For this material, this combination, we have already maintained $100.
Yes, but we updated. In August to $120.
Okay, we have updated the new price.
Yeah, that's why I'm mentioning, right? The consignment info record price is $120 now.
Okay, fine.
At the time of 411K. Okay.
Okay. Then
so
1,200 rupees.
Okay, now you tell me the accounting entries for 10 pieces.
Okay. So 1,200 rupees BSX stock account, that will be debit. Then 1,200 KO and consignment payable will be credit.
Yeah, the BSX 1,200 will be debit and
yes.
consignment payable KON 1,200 credit.
Yes.
Okay. So always the price comes at the time of transfer. What is the price in info record, but not the PO time, whatever the price is available. That's what I wanted to kind.
Oh, okay.